Bonjour everyone! Welcome back to Smart Learning Foreign Language. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with your friends who are learning French. Today, we are going to learn a very important French verb, payer, which means to pay in English. We will learn it in present tense, l'indicatif présent, with easy examples so you can start using it right away. Let's start. First, remember, payer is a regular ER verb, but sometimes it slightly changes spelling for pronunciation reasons. Don't worry, I will explain it in the simplest way for you. Je paie, which means I pay. Tu paies, you pay, informal. Il, elle, on paie, which is he, she, or one pays. Nous payons, we pay. Vous payez, you pay, formal or plural. Il, elle paie, they pay. Notice, for G, tu, il, elle, on, and ils, elles, you often see pay instead of payee. Both spellings are correct, but pay is more common. Alright, now, let's see how to use payer in real sentences. So, first, je paie l'addition. That means I pay the bill. Next, tu payes pour le café, which is you pay for the coffee. Then, il paie ses factures chaque mois. That translates to he pays his bills every month. Moving on, nous payons en espèces. We pay in cash. After that, vous payez par carte? Do you pay by card? And finally, elles payent pour leurs vêtements. That means they pay for their clothes. Alright, here are some quick tips. Use payer when you're talking about paying money. And remember, in French, you often say payer pour, which means to pay for something. Oh, and, you know, practice aloud to build your confidence. If you're finding this lesson helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Learning Foreign Language. Your support really helps us create even more easy and fun lessons for you. Also, don't forget to check the description of this video. You'll find the best collection of French learning books, dictionaries, and the top French communicative course, just perfect for students. We also have a special self-guidance e-guide designed especially for CBSE and ICSE school students, all at huge discounted prices. And hey, if you have any questions, you'll find our contact details in the description too. Merci beaucoup for watching. Keep practicing French every day, and remember, learning a new language opens new worlds. See you soon in the next video on Smart Learning Foreign Language. Au revoir.